Here we are with P equals A over 3 times the quantity B plus C. As we want to solve this for C, we see that it's inside parentheses. We also see that there's a fraction involved. We can get rid of the fraction first, and that will make the rest of our calculations a little bit simpler. So let's multiply both sides by 3. 3P equals A times B plus C. Now again, let's remove the parentheses to get the C out of that grouping symbol. That will give us 3P equals AB plus AC. Now we have a term that doesn't have C in it on one side and a term that does have C in it. So let's subtract away this AB term. Both sides subtract AB. That will give us AC on this side and 3P minus AB on the other. Again, in an ordinary equation, these terms would probably combine and you wouldn't have such a complicated looking expression over here, but when we're manipulating formulas, this is quite likely to be the order of the day. So now we have A times C equals this quantity. We just want C, so all that remains is for us to divide by A. And when we do that, we'll end up with C equal to 3P minus AB over A. Now it's important to note that when you do these manipulations, there might be options to get other forms of your equations when you take steps in different orders. So if you get a different order problem or an answer that looks a little bit different than your answer key or the answer that your friend gets if you compare, please make sure that you check with your instructor or double check with numbers plugged in to make sure that yours is not correct even though it's different. So these solutions aren't always unique. They aren't always one of a kind. You might be able to get a correct solution in a slightly different form, but they should be equivalent.